morning, Linda. I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
Good too, sir, but I think I'm tired because this week is so many activities.
Yeah, I know. It is because of so many activities of ACLED and PPG this week.
That's right, sir. By the way, about the assignment, could you explain it again?
Of course, you may choose one of the topic. Three of the topic. Let me check. It's a greeting and introduction, asking condition, classroom expression, describing things, or identifying people by question. You have to create a short video of your dialogue in a pair of team with maximum of 3 people. Then upload it on YouTube and put the link on your name. Okay?
Pardon, sir. Is there another option besides uploading on YouTube, maybe like Instagram or Facebook or another like that?
For now, please use YouTube so I can easily check everyone work in one place. It's more easily for me. Okay.
Alright, sir, we will take it. But if you don't mind, we're still confused about the concept of videos. So, can you explain it again, sir?
Sure. Your concept is very simple. You just need to have a dialogue with your friend, applying 3 of the topic. And this video should be about 3 or 5 minutes, and it must include opening, main content, and closing.
So, we can choose the partner by ourselves.
Yeah, that's right. You are free to decide who you want to work with.
Okay, sir, thank you for explaining it.
You're welcome, Linda.
Excuse me, sir. So, right now, can I go to preparing the dialogue with my partner?
Sure, you may go. Good luck with your project.
Alright, sir, thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Okay, you too, Linda. See you in the next class.